Happy Friday, everybody. It is another beautiful day here. I got my Starbucks. I'm ready to give you guys some wisdom here, impart some knowledge, some things on you this morning. First I gotta say, I know it's been a minute since I recorded last one of my Friday morning coffee talks here. I just have a lot of things going on in my life right now, a lot of exciting things, some things that are pulling at me in different directions, kind of really consuming my energy, and it's just kind of taking a lot out of me to kind of be present for those things in my life that are taking place right now, some personal, some business, work-related items. But I hope you're doing well, and we're upon the election here coming up in a couple weeks. I hope you've taken the time to get out and vote. Very important that you do that so your voice can be heard. And I also just want to say that I'm going to be coming out with some additional video recordings here on a variety of different topics, some things that I've learned, some knowledge that I've obtained that I think I would like to internalize and kind of share with you in my way that I would present it. And I hope that if you like the way that I kind of express stuff and say things and explain things, I hope that I can take this subject matter, internalize it, and kind of put it back out there into the universe in the format that I like to present things, if that makes sense, and it helps you out. So these topics could be anything from money, financial things, could be on the topic of love and relationships, could be on the topic of, thinking about life and existentialism, where you fit in life, how important you are to your family, to the community, to your friends, the differences that you can make. I think there's a lot of really interesting things taking place right now in the world, and the best way to kind of communicate and talk about them is to get together and talk about them and share ideas. So I've really appreciated people reaching out to me. Again, I do want to just say stay tuned for more. I'll be continuing to produce more content and putting stuff out there. So in the meantime, have a great weekend. Get out and vote, and God bless. It's your boy Matthew. Talk to you soon. Peace.